So I have to strain my ears, That's what you say. Yes.
So this is verse number 8 from chapter 61, Surah Saf. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله الكذب وهو يدعى إلى الإسلام والله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين. Translation is, but who could do greater wrong than one who forges the lie against Allah while he is called to Islam? Allah guides not the wrongdoing people.
Also, can you explain to us the meaning of who يدعى إلى الإسلام? The meaning of who يدعى إلى الإسلام.
Yes. This evidently applies to a period when the Muslims would be inviting a person who claims to be from God to what they think Islam is. And the verse is very clear that if such a person was a forger against Allah, then most certainly he would be punished. But if he is not punished, then how could he be a forger? So despite the fact that he is invited towards Islam, this indicates positively that this verse initially does not apply to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was never invited towards Islam. Although the proof of Allah's succor for His sake, Allah's signs in His aid are manifest, that's not the question. They are manifest, so he could not be a liar, that's evident. But he is not the person to whom this verse refers. He was never invited towards Islam. He invited others towards Islam. See the difference? So clear. It has to be Hazrat Masih Moud.